Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, let's take a fascinating journey across the globe to explore the world of chemistry. Whether you're a student in Pakistan, the USA, or anywhere in between, chemistry is the universal language that connects us all. First up, organic chemistry. Imagine the complex dance of carbon compounds that make up the building blocks of life. From the spices in India to the fragrant tea leaves in China, organic chemistry is at play in our daily lives. It's the reason why a fresh tomato smells so good and why chocolate tastes so divine. Now, let's shift gears to inorganic chemistry. Think metals, minerals, and salts. Did you know that the vibrant colors of the spices in Iranian markets are due to inorganic compounds? Or that the structures of ancient Japanese swords owe their strength to the mastery of inorganic chemistry? Next, we delve into physical chemistry. This branch is like the detective of the chemistry world, explaining how substances behave and interact. From the majestic northern lights in Finland to the hot springs in Iceland, physical chemistry is at work behind the scenes. And then there's biochemistry. This is where chemistry meets biology, investigating the molecules that make life possible. Picture the delicate balance of enzymes in an Italian vineyard, turning grapes into delicious wine. Or the hearty Irish stew, where biochemistry makes sure every bite is nutritious and flavorful. Electrochemistry, anyone? This field is all about electricity and reactions. From the cutting-edge research labs in the USA to the bustling electronics markets in South Korea, electrochemistry is driving innovation. Ever wondered how your smartphone battery holds a charge? Yep, that's electrochemistry at work. Let's not forget polymer chemistry. It's behind the creation of plastics, rubber, and even some of our favorite fabrics. Think about the durable tires on a Russian car or the waterproof jackets popular in the UK. Polymers are everywhere, making our lives more convenient and comfortable. So, whether you're enjoying a delicious meal in Malaysia, marveling at the architecture in Turkey, or studying in South India, chemistry is all around you. It's in the food you eat, the clothes you wear, and the technology you use daily. Remember, the beauty of chemistry is that it transcends borders and cultures. It's a global science that brings us together, helping us understand and improve the world we live in. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows? Maybe one day, you'll make a groundbreaking discovery that changes the world. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science content. See you next time.